Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, all things tech and how to make money online using these tech applications and platforms. Technology has been enhancing and increasing something dramatically. So if you're not in the game and you're not learning about all these AI tools, you're going to be missing out because it's definitely the future. So yeah, today I wanted to talk about Pictory and ChatGPT and how you can actually make money utilizing these two tools. I mean, ChatGPT has been all over the internet, all over YouTube, all over, anywhere that you've been looking, TikTok, they've been talking about it. I mean, it's a fantastic platform. There's a lot of alternatives that have been coming up. If you have Right Sonic, they also have a chat version, Chat Sonic, which is also pretty good, and it has the present information where ChatGPT is kind of limited to 2021 and the lights. But anyway, let's just jump right into this. So if you wanted to make money using Pictory and ChatGPT, you're in a great place. So first and foremost, let me just jump on Pictory and just show you guys what it looks like. So here's the platform for Pictory. It's really easy to use. I mean, it's straightforward. I mean, if you need any kind of help, they have a help section up here. Here's where your projects will be up at the top. There's my name, JC Francis. If you wanted to know, yeah, now you know. But anyway, yeah, diving right in. So if you want to do a scripted video, you can easily just click here, proceed. You could do educational videos, listicles, coaching videos, step-by-step guides. It's really easy. They have tutorials also on each one of these that you're able to use, and if you needed to know anything else for you to, get further information, you could do article to videos. So this is where you can just input if you have a blog, which I do. I have the Busyberg, where a lot of these add full reviews. And if you guys ever want to check them out, definitely check out the Busyberg. And you could all you need to do is input your URL right here. You drop it in, it grabs up, the amount of information that you desire. It could be either part of the article, or you could do a full blog article to video, and you can create it. Just click proceed. Here's the tutorial right here. Exactly what I said. Your blogs, your press release, any HTML articles that you want to use, you can just put it in right there. You have edit to video using text. This is another one where you can utilize a lot of the editing portion of it, and you could do a lot of clips if you wanted to just shorten up your videos. If you want to do some shorts, TikToks, even Pinterest, those create pin ideas, you can do that there as well. You have your visual to videos. There's a lot of information here. Create short videos using your existing images and video clips. There's a lot of fantastic things you could do with Pictory. I mean, also, if you wanted to make some extra cash, always sign up for the affiliate link that they have down here. You can go and share. You can share this on any of your social platforms and make money from it. So Pictory, I think, is a really fantastic platform. If you guys ever wanted to just use or needed an AI video maker, and it was in a reasonable budget, you can upgrade, or you can get the free version just to try it out and see what kind of videos they're able to create. I think it's fantastic. So let's just dive in and continue to talk about how you can make money using this. So how do you make money with Pictory and ChatGPT? All right. So now, first and foremost, number one, you want to identify a niche. Find out what do you actually want to create this video over? Are you creating over cooking? Are you creating over fitness? Are you creating over actually a video for Pictory, trying to market it and advertise it because you're an affiliate, or are you an affiliate for other programs and you want to create a video for it? Or do you want to just create educational videos because you have a service that you want to educate people on? Instead of always telling somebody or answering the same question over and over again, you can create an educational video or an explainer video, explain it one time, email it out to anybody, whoever asks that same question, and it's straightforward. So, but first and foremost, you want to identify a niche. So what do you want to dive into? What do you want to create? So let's say we wanted to create a fitness video. We dive in, we grab our fitness information, we put it all together, we get our images, we get our logo, we get everything that we need, and we dive in and we come right back to Pictory and we go to create a script. We jump right in, we create the script. You can dive into ChatGPT first. You can type in, I need a 500 word script for, fitness, how to lose weight or how to lose belly fat, in 30 days. ChatGPT was going to crack it out and give you any of the information that you need, where you can dive right back over here and create a script. And create a video from that script. It's really, really straightforward. So okay. So number 2, create a video with Pictory. Exactly what I was just saying. So you just jump right in. The next step is to create an engaging video that appeals to your target audience. You know, your target audience was what we were talking about is fitness. That's what we're going to stay in. So we're going to, you know, create a great video that's engaging, that is directed exactly to that audience, so that they know exactly, you know, how to lose that belly fat in 30 days, or how to gain, you know, stronger arms, or, you know, or bigger chest in X amount of days. You can create these kind of videos. Pictory is an AI video maker that allows you to create professional looking videos quickly and easily. You can use Pictory to create videos that educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. I think it's a fantastic platform, right, for you guys to do what you need to do to make money. Number 3, so now we're going to jump into ChatGPT for content ideas. We can bounce between the two, jump back and forth. You know, ChatGPT is an AI language model, so you already know majority of what you need to do. And if you don't, it's just ask the question. You know, if you have a question, if you have an idea, if you have something that you need to be explained, just type it in. You know, see what it cranks out. Now, if you're a little bit more professional, you already know that you want to give it a model. You know, act as if you are an SEO expert, or act as if you are fill in the blank, and then ask your question. And then from there, you give ChatGPT enough information for it to dive and narrow itself down to exactly the industry that you are directing it to. It's really fantastic, man. ChatGPT is going to change the game, as it already is changing the game. So now you get these ideas or topic titles. You even get a script for your videos. This can save you a lot of time and help you create content that resonates with your audience. The whole thing about marketing, for anybody who is in the marketing game or not in the marketing game, is that you need something that's going to resonate with your audience. The last thing you want to do is try to market, a fitness item to somebody who is looking to do copywriting, or you're trying to do, copywriting to somebody who's looking to do, cooking, so you need to find out who you're marketing to, what is that industry looking for, exactly, and then solve that problem. It's all about problem solving. Find that problem, solve it. That's what marketing is really all, and advertising is really all about, and directing it to that right audience. So now here's the fun part. This is where you monetize that content. So now you finally get to monetize by publishing it to either YouTube or other video sharing platforms, such as, again, TikTok. You have Pinterest, create ideas. You have Reels. You have Facebook. What is it? It's Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, right? Facebook also has them. You also have any other social media platform that you can share on. You have LinkedIn. There's a multitude of sharing platforms, and if you get good at one of them, or you have an audience on one of them, boom, half of the game is already won. You already have an audience. All you need to do is get your product in front of them, and boom, you're making that money that you need to make. You're making 15 grand a month. You're making 10 grand a month. You can even, starting off, you may be making 5 grand a month. A lot of these affiliate platforms really have a reoccurring model. So if the longer somebody stays on their platform, the more money that you're going to make. So again, if you wanted to jump on, Pictory has a great one. Affiliate dashboard down here that you could click on. You sign up. You can use the affiliate link just to start you off, or if you have affiliate products that you want to use other than this, you can do that right away. Fantastic, man. I think it's a great platform. So once you start doing that, again, you can make money through your sponsorship, through your affiliate, you can even sell merchandise. Do you do drop shipping? Do you do print on demand? You can also use it for that. There's again a multitude of different ways that you can make money using these platforms. So I really think you guys should dive in. I really think you guys should sign up to Pictory. Also use ChatGPT if you need some ideas, you need some inspiration, you need to get yourself in a position where you really want to start making this money online, because it's there. The money is here to be made online. It's just up to us to take the initiative and the action to do so. So yeah, again, I'm highly promoting Pictory. I use it myself. I think it's fantastic. I suggest you guys use it too. Thanks for coming on my channel. Thanks for checking me out. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.